Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video is going to be my June Bolzano handbag unbagging. The first unbagging video I did of Bolzano, I believe was back in April, so like 2 months ago. So I wanted to share with you guys what I got for this month. But anyways, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and the notification bell down below. And without further ado, if you guys like to see what's in my June Bolzano bag, then just keep watching. Okay, so quickly, if you guys aren't familiar with Bolzano handbags, because I know I wasn't familiar with it up until a few months ago, it's a handbag subscription service. They do have a couple other variations where you can add makeup or just get accessories. So I think I'm doing just the regular one. It's a handbag with 2 to 3 accessories, and it's $33.95 a month, which honestly is pretty affordable because I see handbags that go anywhere from $50 to hundreds of dollars. So you're getting a handbag and 2 to 3 accessories, and it's customizable. So when you first sign up, you take the quiz to kind of pick out what styles you like, what style handbags, totes, etc., and jewelry as well. Definitely different than the typical, beauty and makeup subscriptions that I get. So first off, I'm going to untie it. It comes in this nice bag, as you guys saw, and it comes with their little signature Bolzano ribbon. And the cool thing about these little Bolzano bags that the handbag comes in is that you can use these as dust bags to store your handbags, which I thought is really nice. So before I get into the bag, I kind of wanted to go through what's inside it and the accessories. So first off, I pulled out this little note wrapped in that Bolzano ribbon. And it basically just, says congratulations on your bag. And it looks like this bag that I got is called the Aurora bag. It's laser cut design, complements this spring and summer's latest look from top clothing designers. So could have came in a couple different colors. So I got this like kind of gold color, which is really nice, especially for the summer months. First off, I just pulled out these earrings. Let me kind of undo these. And I like these little pouches because then you can store your jewelry in them, especially when you're traveling, so you don't get your jewelry tangled up in a hot mess, which has happened to me before. So these are the studs that I got, and I am a stud person. As you guys can see, I really don't wear dangly earrings, so these are definitely beautiful. I love them. This is kind of what they look like close up. I don't want to get any closer in case my lights wash it out, but they are super cute studs. And these would be great to kind of dress up an outfit. And next, I believe this is a bracelet that it came with, and it looks like it kind of goes with the earrings, but you guys, like, this is really nice. So it's like a snap bracelet, and it's got like blue in it. I think that's super pretty. Let me back up so you guys can actually see it, because if I go too close sometimes it won't focus it. But yeah, look at that. That's super beautiful. I love it. And then basically it kind of just snaps on. There's 2 snaps in case you want it a little bit tighter. So that's what that looks like. I'm loving that. Honestly, the studs would go really nice with this bracelet as well. So again, that's what the bracelet looks like. It's like I got 3 accessories this month. So let's see what this is. Basically, according to this is a beach wrap that can be worn as kind of like a dress. I don't know if you guys can see the picture right there. So I got the color blue, which is nice because I don't really own a lot of blue things. So this honestly is going to look like a scarf right now, but basically it looks like these are the kind of straps that go around your arm, and I think you just crisscross it. So those are the instructions, but that's cool. I will definitely be wearing this for days when I go to the beach to kind of go over my bathing suit. Now getting into the bag, first I just wanted to take this out. This is really cool. Honestly, you could use this as like a makeup pouch or a storage pouch to go in this purse. So that's really nice, but basically what's inside this are straps, because I did see on the piece of paper that it came with that it does have, like, you can wear it different ways. So you can add these straps on to make it a little bit longer, or I think these straps might be able to honestly hang on the bottom as well. So let me set these straps aside first off. And then, yeah, so what I would use this for, honestly, is to put this inside the bag, because there's no compartments in this bag. So that's super cool that they include this for storage purposes, to store, all my crap in the bag. Okay, so basically, this is what the bag looks like. I love the detail all the cutouts that it has, and then it's got like the rose gold hardware all throughout the bag, and then on the back it's just all gold with no cutouts, and it says Bolzano. It's really lightweight, you guys, which I like. So you could wear the bag like this, you could wear it like this, but it really comes up to your armpit. So that's what I think they include the straps for. So let me see if I can kind of hook these straps on to better see what it looks like. Okay, so this is what it looks like with a strap on, and it's nice too because you can obviously adjust it to go tighter or to go looser. And then when you're not wearing it around your shoulder, it would kind of just hang down like that. So I think that this is a really super cute bag. And then it just has a little button at the top. So I love this bag, you guys. I don't really own any bags that are like this. A lot of my bags are more totes per se that don't have this like short strap. I don't own any bags that have a really long handle. You guys know the only bags I really own are my Louis Vuitton ones, my 2 Louis Vuittons. So this is really unique for the summer, and I'm definitely loving it. Again, I like that you can kind of customize the straps. You can take this off if you want to just have it like this, or if you want to have the strap and have it hang down like that and have it look kind of stylish. It looks cute like that as well. So I actually have a coupon code for you guys from Bolzano, and it is to get a $45 free gift if you guys sign up. And again, this service that I got, the bag with the 2 to 3 accessories, is $33.95. I think the value is really great. And again, if you sign up, you'll get the free $45 gift. So I will have all of that listed down below. So let me know in the comments down below, have you guys tried Bolzano handbags, or are there other fashion related monthly subscriptions that you guys receive? Let me know. I'd be interested to find out. But that is it for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. I hope you have a wonderful week, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.